Hey everyone, welcome back. Thanks for joining us today on this nice Saturday evening. What are we, March? First weekend in March, I guess. It's about 50 degrees out. Real nice day. Starting to turn into spring. Hard to believe that it snowed just like 3 days ago. Anyway, I know we haven't done a video in a couple weeks. We've been real busy trying to catch up on work. We've got a few little small projects that we wanted to get finished up so that we could do the big steel buildings and stuff that we're going to do video on. So anyway, I just wanted to do a real quick video on kind of a product review. I've got this Apache case. It's a hard case that I'm using for storing cameras and drones and handguns. A while ago, I was looking for something to store the camera, handguns, drones, and I was looking online, and pretty much all I came across was the Pelican cases. Pelican cases are really good. I definitely recommend anyone that can afford to buy a Pelican case to do that. They're really good. They're rated for water submersion and everything, and they're really good. They are a little on the higher end as far as price, and I do have one or two Pelican cases for building transits and stuff. But what I was going after was I had intention of making a video on a bargain price case for someone that has cameras or drones and stuff but doesn't want to spend $100 on cases. And I came up with I found this, pretty much the only other thing I found. This is the Apache 2800. There's a smaller case and there's a bigger case. I'll put a link in the description to the Pelican and this case. They're really good. This case was like 40 bucks, and it's rated for dust and moisture. It's not submergible, but you know, if water falls on it, even if this falls in the lake, it'll float. Dust will not get in. Has a completely sealed top. It's got a pressure equalizer to relieve, equalize the pressure if you're traveling from altitude, so that you're not having a hard time opening it up because it's so well sealed. This case is 11 7/8 by 9 inches by 5 5/16. There's a few videos on YouTube on this case. Excuse me. People are getting them, putting an egg inside and throwing them up in the air and running them over with pickups and holding them underwater with blocks on top and stuff like that. Yeah, I guess it's good to see if they can stand up to the abuse, but this case is not a Pelican case, and they're not trying to pass this off as one. They clearly say on the tags that this is an IP65 rated case, and I'm guessing them other people didn't know what that meant. So IP is the way of rating protection from moisture and dust, dirt, stuff like that. The first number, the 6, is the highest that can be rated. That's for solids, so that means dust can't get into this case. The second number, the 5, is liquid. That is not the highest number. 5 is like the second to the last number, so that means that this can be rained on, snowed on, water splashed on it, and it'll be protected. Pelican cases are a 7. Those are submerged. You can submerge them in water and they'll be protected. So, but they clearly say on these that they're not, meant for that. They've got a fully customizable inside foam liner. It's a pluck and pull system. You outline whatever it is you want to store, and there's these little square cutouts that you pluck out within your outline, and you can store whatever you need in there. And they're really good cases. I really like them. for the price, you can't beat it. You know, 40 bucks. They've got reinforced corners for putting locks on them if you're going to store handguns. They're not real secure. I mean, you know, they're not going to prevent somebody from stealing anything, but you know, if you don't want kids getting into guns or knives, you can put locks on it so that nobody can get in it. You know, other than that, it's real good. It's made from solid plastic. It's really nice. It has a real good feel to it. It's pretty close to the Pelican case. I would really recommend it. It's worked really good for us. And so I just kind of want to make a quick video on it. Let you guys know if you guys are looking for a case like this. The Apache case. This is the Apache 2800. Rugged case. It's real good. Good to store cameras, knives, guns, lasers, anything you want to store and protect. So anyway, I guess that's our video for today. Just something real quick. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and share with anyone that you might think will enjoy it. And we'll be putting up some video here more frequently. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks we'll be doing a lot of new stuff and be posting that up. So that's our video for today. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you on the next video.